Well, I hope you guys are hungry because we have brought you to our favorite restaurant in Las Vegas, Chubby. It's a Mongolian hot pot style restaurant. So let's go. So Monday through Thursday, they have happy hour from 9:30 to close. Everything on the conveyor belt is buy one, get one free. And I will show you the conveyor belt here in a minute. All right, so we've been seated and now we are showing Lennox how to use chopsticks. Okay, you got it, sis? Do you remember? Okay. Like this?
Okay.
Okay. Thumb here.
From there.
This finger here. This one there. And then you use that finger to move that one. Don't cross them though. All right, so we're inside, we've been seated, we've already placed our order. I can't wait to show you guys everything that we've ordered to start off with, some of our faves and some new stuff. So after you order your food, make sure you come up to the Chubby sauce bar and get yourself some toppings. You can add them right into your soup base. I like to do garlic and green onion. Okay, so when you arrive, once you're seated, the first thing you have to do is order your soup base. We go with the hellish spicy, but the entry level, because anything beyond that is just literal sweat coming down your face. And I like spicy food. Then you pick your meat, and this time I'm trying a chuck roll. My husband is trying the Wagyu round. Normally I do the Wagyu A5, Japanese A5, which is their top beef. It's $59.99 for 5 ounces, but I wanted to try something different. I will end up getting that later on though because it's my absolute favorite. And then you pick your noodle or your starch, and Lennox and I got the noodle combo, which comes with this is an egg noodle, and then we have a spinach noodle. They used to do like an eggplant noodle too, and it was like a purple color, but they've changed out the noodles recently. Then, let's see. My husband went with some of the, is this the sponge tofu? Some sponge tofu. I might try it this time. I don't know, I've never tried it, and I like tofu. And then he got some prawns to try. So we're gonna start with this, and I'll show you how you cook it. All right, so the noodles are cooked, the meat is cooked. Now let's dig in, because I have not tried this beef before. Like I said, I always get the A5. Like, this place is a treat for us, so we usually go all out. But wanted to change it up and try something different. So this is the chuck round. It's the Wagyu chuck round. We've got our spinach noodles. We've got our beef in there. Let's try it. So immediately the difference is this beef is a lot thicker, so it kind of holds the juices a little bit better. I don't know, I like it, but let's try some more stuff. All right, my husband has convinced me to have some soju. I like soju, I really do. I'm not a big drinker, but when you're at Chubby Cattle, you gotta get it. So this one is peach, which is actually one of the ones that I prefer. The peach smell is so strong too. You know what this reminds me of? And it's one of my favorite Japanese snacks, is the peach fruit snacks. Like, peach Japanese fruit snacks are my favorite. That's what this tastes like. Cheers. All right, so now we're gonna try my husband's, which is the round. It's supposed to be leaner. Let's see, we're gonna let let this cook. The nice thing about these is that they're super, super thin, so they only need to cook for like 5 to 8 seconds. I cook mine a lot longer. I like Wagyu cooked longer than it's supposed to be, which is kind of funny because I like my steak undercooked. So, you saw what it looked like before it was cooked. That's after. So let's mix it in with some noodles and see what I think about this one. I've never tried this one before. Got some spinach noodles, we got some garlic in there, some green onion, and the beef. I would eat it. There's nothing wrong with it. But when it comes to Wagyu, it really comes down to the different textures. That's really what sets each one apart. I don't love the texture of that one. It's very, it almost feels gritty because of the way that it shrinks up. So, not for me, but if he didn't finish his, I would eat it. Rule of Chubby Cattle: you never let your Wagyu go to waste. Never waste Wagyu. Alright, so as you could see, they have a conveyor belt. And the conveyor belt has like different sides and such that you can pull off. The color of the plate tells you the price of that side dish. I got baby corn. Because fun fact, baby corn is one of my absolute favorite snacks since I was a kid. And I don't just mean like Asian cuisine type of thing. I mean, in general, baby corn is one of my favorite snacks. So you know I got the baby corn, and I don't know why. I asked my husband if he wanted some, and he immediately dropped it in his soup base, and I don't know why it never occurred to me to eat it that way. I think it's because at home, I literally eat them straight out of the jar or the can. I love raw baby corn, but I tried it, so let's see. You guys, I might be grabbing another one because baby corn is great raw, but that soup base, I've got it to the perfect flavor. Yeah, we're gonna get some more. All right, so we just left Chubby Cattle, and something I didn't get to show you because it happened so fast is that our waiter came over and he said, it is a Chinese festival, and because of that, we have a game. Do you guys wanna play? Of course, we're down for anything fun. So he said, if you win, we will give you a free plate of meat. If you lose, you have to take a picture for the wall. So what he did was he brought over 2 cards, the giant playing cards, and I had to pick one. If mine was higher than his, I won. If mine was lower, I lost. I picked a card, I got a 7, he got a 4. So I won, and they gave us a free plate of chuck round. So super fun. We still took a picture together, but he had to wear like funny glasses and a funny nose with mustache, you know, the whole silly idea there. So we'll have to come back and see that picture on the wall once they put it up. But until next time, guys, bye.